Hi everybody, welcome back to another reading. Welcome to Tam Predicts, and this is a love reading for water signs. Only water signs was left. I've done fire, air, and earth, and now I'm doing water signs. Water signs are Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer. So guys, these are the love messages for you. I'm using different decks right now. Uh, from the other signs, for the other signs I used different kind of decks, and right now I am using the first deck I'm using is Archangel Gabriel. So let's see what are your love messages and love predictions, guys. So this is for Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer. Let's see what's your first message. I'll stop shuffling when I think the time is right. Guys, these are general guidances, might or might not resonate, and whatever you want to do in the end, please do what you think is best in your situation, or you know your situation the best. These are just to validate what you're thinking. Your intuition is guiding you all the time, and always be open to the universe to receive messages from spirit guides and from universe and different signs from nature and your intuition. Always remember that. Nurture yourself. In this situation, you first need to nurture yourself, give yourself self love, and that's the time when you can give love to the other person. Or it's also, I feel that the person you are involved with or you are going to meet is going to be very caring, is going to nurture you like a baby, or probably the person you are in love with. The person nurtures you like a baby, and there is something very caring about them. They care for you a lot, or you care for them a lot, and I feel a lot of caring. Uh, I feel a lot of caring energy from this, and the word caring is coming back to me again and again, like a channel message. So if you're involved with the person, or probably you are like that. So the first word is caring. That is coming. Like I said, it's coming back again and again like a channel message, and I wanted to say that it's a very caring relationship. Yes, one went flying away. Helping children. I think you or the person you are involved with likes helping children, something to do with children, or one of you really wants to have children with the other person, or I get that you are now deciding, or you just talked about that should we have kids, or you've just started seeing someone, and the first or the second thing that asked the person is that I love kids, and do you think if we get married or we are committed to each other, will we have kids? Something to do with helping children, and one of you really does love kids. So probably that's the first card that came out, that there's a lot of nurturing energy in this whole pile, and you like mothering people, or if you're a guy and you're listening to this, so you also like mothering people. You have those feelings like you really love people and you really care about them, and if they're not well, you ask 100 times that are you feeling okay, do you want anything, can I do anything? And I get a lot of energy like this from these cards, and this reading especially for water signs. Yes, water signs are emotional people, but they don't show their emotions ever. Let's see what are the other messages. There is the law of attraction. So whatever you send out in the universe, positive messages, or however you think, that's what you receive back, always like a boomerang. So if you really love the person is going to love you that much. And I'm going to read the message under this card heading, which says the law of attraction. It says, keep your thoughts positive and surround yourself with positive people and situations, and you will attract more positivity in your life. So that's a known thing. Whatever you send out in the universe, you will get it back. You'll get back the same thing, or probably amplified in some kind of a way, but the same thing will always come back to you, guys. So always surround yourself with positive people who talk positive, who think positive, who make you feel happy, who motivate you, who inspire you, or always want you to keep going. And that's how you feel, probably that's how you feel about the person you are around, and that's how the person makes you feel all the time, makes you feel happy and inspired and motivated, and probably keeps you saying, let's go, let's do this, let's do that. So keeps you motivated in a lot of ways. So that's the energy I picked up. Let's see what is the last message. I want to use the one more message from this deck, and let's see what's the message is. Share your art with the world. So probably you are pretty artistic, you're pretty creative, and you probably draw or you write. So whatever you are doing, just share your share your feelings with the loved one. And I feel you draw or you write a lot, or the person you are involved with, I think draws a lot or writes a lot to you, and is always expressing his or her feeling to you, and they're very open about their feelings. And I think you are the one who mostly you hide your feelings, and the other person that you are involved with really expresses themselves, and they use word or some form of creativity to tell you how much you mean to them or how much they love you. Let me see what are the other messages for you. I'm using my Crystal Angel deck right now, and let me see what other messages do they form like kind of a same similar reading, or the different messages, because this is a general meeting. There could be a lot of messages in this one reading for a lot of people who are listening to this reading. So a lot of messages might resonate, only one message might resonate. So because this is a general reading, also remember that. That's what I always say whenever I do a reading for you guys. Increase support. The person really supports you, whoever you are with, whoever is your partner in love, or if you're in a relationship. This person really supports you. No matter what will happen, this person will always be your strength. I feel green and purple are important colors for you whenever you're listening to this reading. I always say my readings are timeless, and universe doesn't have a watch. And the line that's written under it, the special message that's under the words increased support, is your positive focus and willingness to receive have opened the doorway to an abundance of help and opportunities. So guys, you both support each other, and when you support each other, there is more good news always coming your way. You work very well as partners, and when you're together and happy, there is always support from each other and from the universe and from people around you, is the message that I get. But this is a very nurturing and caring reading, and people you are in love with. I feel that you do love each other a lot, and you support each other no matter how hard the times are. So that's the kind of energy that I'm picking up from this reading. Natural beauty and authenticity. So it says, be yourself as God made you, naturally attractive and lovable inside and out. So I also feel you guys believe in natural beauty, you believe in individuality, and that's how you see the other person. You don't see you don't start comparing the person, that you should be like this or whatever, however the person is, and you appreciate the true beauty of that person. The other person that you are dealing with has a very pure heart, or probably you are the one who has a very pure heart. And I think the person you are involved with also balances things. There is this the person really balances two things very well, or probably that person does multitasking very well, and balances the two three things that happen together in the person's life, and you really appreciate the multitasking ability of that person. And I think if you are also, I also get that you also are very good at multitasking, and you actually balance so many things together in your life, and you also do it very effortlessly. One more card from this. My hair are flying everywhere. I just watched them. One more card from this from this deck, guys. This is the Crystal Angels deck I'm using. So I'm getting very warm, gentle, caring kind of feeling from this deck that I'm using. This one wanted to jump out. Clearing negativity. You're not doing that. You're not clearing negativity in your situation. I think the person you're involved with, or it's about you. Just don't think anything negative in the situation. Like I said, if you're going to think negative, then you're going to attract negativity back into your life. So be as positive as you can. It's a very positive relationship, and I don't think anything should hold you back in this relationship. The other person values you, and you value the other person. Let's see what are the love messages. I'm using the love deck. What are the messages for water signs? What are the messages for water signs? This is a love reading, guys. I want to say make peace with the situation. It's a message, it's a channel message. Don't overburden yourself also. And the channel messages also say what you want to say. Don't keep it in your heart. Respect. I think the other person respects you a lot in this relationship, especially the person you are involved with has a lot of respect for you, values you a lot, and it is you value everyone's unique perspective on the paths to love. The person really thinks you're unique, and you think the person is whoever you involved with is really unique, and there is a lot of respect in this relationship, and that's a fantastic way to stabilize a relationship. Or commitment, dedication, and respect are very important. And if you value the other person, I think there is nothing else to worry in the relationship. There is mutual respect for each other, for each other's differences, or how different the other person is. You also understand that in this loving relationship. Evolution, I think your love will always keep evolving, and that's a fantastic thing. It will never get stale. There is something new that keeps happening in your relationship, or the person you are involved with keeps evolving as a person. You keep evolving as a person, and I get the message that you two also respect, that you keep changing for the good, and you also make the other person change for good, and the other person also values that. I want to do one more love message. I don't know why I didn't want to just, cap it there. Past. Let go of the past. A lot of you are hanging on to the past. If you had a bad relationship in the past, or whatever happened in the past, you guys keep referring to the past. I think it's time to let go of the past, and it is like it is time to think about the present and the future, guys. Also, not too much about the future. Please live in the present, not the past or not the future. I think a lot of past references keep coming up in your relationship, that this happened and now this is going to happen because this happened in the past, and how things bad the things were, so it's going to happen again. So some kind of references back to the past. Don't keep making those references. Your the person you're involved with will not really feel happy about it. I'm going to pick up another deck, and let's see what are the other messages from that deck. Time to release negativity. Like I told you, even in that one, it came release negativity, guys, and you guys are not releasing negativity. There's something. I think this is a Scorpio, because it is the card that came out is Scorpio. I think Scorpions are not releasing any. Scorpios are not releasing any negativity. It's all inside them. It's all building up to this big emotional burden, and one day it's going to just erupt. So, guys, talk about it if you have negative feelings, or if you're a Scorpio dealing with another Scorpio, another water sign. I think it's time to talk, because you both will not talk, and you will keep everything inside yourselves, and that might just strain the relationship, guys. So that's a big channel message. You both need to talk, and yeah, especially if it's about the Scorpio sign. A new start is coming. I feel if you're single and you're watching this, then a new person is going to enter your life. And I get a very earth energy, earth sign energy. I get fire energy also, and I don't know why, but I get air. So I think all the signs I get with this one. Normally I just get one or two signs, but this one I'm getting all the other signs. There is a new person coming. There's going to be a new start, and I get September 14th. After September 14th, that's the date I got in my head, like a channel message, guys. One more card. Have faith in your dreams. So if you're pursuing someone, or if someone is pursuing you, I feel that is the person you are going to be with, and that's how I'm going to interpret this. That's the message I got, that somebody is going to contact you soon. It's going to be a new relationship. You haven't even met that person ever, and I don't know why I get it's going to be an online dating site. J is an important letter for you. I got J for you. I'm going to give you alphabets, and I'm sure I will come out, because I is coming out in every reading of mine. And in one of the readings, I think it was the when I was doing alphabets, and I took out different alphabets from the pouch I have. I got thrice, and in one of the eyes, when I said I, there was a flash of light. It was like a spirit guide message, or almost like a blessing, because I saw synchronicity also in that video while I was doing that video when I checked my phone. So I think that was such a blessing. And so J is important for you guys. Somebody new is entering your life is what I get. Yeah, there is somebody new who's going to enter your life. Yeah, that card went flying, and I don't know what it was. So much energy. Probably a new starter is coming. I was shuffling the cards. This came. Now it wasn't reversed. It is upright. So guys, it could happen sooner, earlier than you think, guys. There is no delay. A new person is coming in your life. And I get if you're a Scorpio, especially, there is a new start or a new relationship happening, guys. and it's happening sooner than I thought. It's going to be 12 days. Though I said September because it came reversed, and right now I think it's going to be much sooner than that. Don't let pride get in your way, especially if you're going to deal with a Leo. I get a Leo card because this is a Leo card. If you are going to deal with a Leo, please don't get pride in your way. I feel that one of you or some of you or few of you are going to do that. That why should I call the other person who is supposed to call me? The other person should say, whatever, I love you, or I'm interested in you, and you're going to wait. I don't know why you're going to do this, but guys, if you're dealing with a Leo, don't let pride get into your way. Also, don't let who's going to say it first kind of a game get into your way. No games in this. No games in love. Always remember that. Be as true as you can be in your relationship. Don't play games in any situation, especially a love situation. Have faith in your dreams. This came out again. Just have faith in your dreams. Whatever you want, whichever relationship whoever you pursuing will happen. I think with this card will just take time, but it will happen. The person could it could be a serious relationship, guys. It could end up being a serious relationship. I want to pick up the Archangel Gabriel cards once more, and I want to give two messages from there. I don't know why I get that I have to deliver two more messages from this deck. Let's see what the Archangel wants to tell you, especially. Detox time, guys. Negativity is coming in every card. Maybe that's the channel message again and again, and that means that you have to hear it again and again. And I'm stressing on the fact, the archangels are stressing on this fact, the guides are stressing on this fact, that it's time to detox yourself. Or maybe some of you, few of you, one of you has just had a broken relationship. I think a week ago you have cut off your ties, or cut off the cut the cord with the person you were involved with. You're not feeling good, and you need to release negativity and the person from your life, and you need to detox. I'm going to read out the message. Maybe that was the message. It came out thrice or four times in this reading, guys, in different ways and in different decks. It says release toxins from your body, mind, and diet. Also, be careful. Don't have excess of anything that you're having. Don't overeat, don't overdrink, or don't do anything in over or excessive, or don't be obsessive about it, guys. Just remember that. One more card, because I said two cards, so I need one more card out from this deck. And I'm going to stop when the time is right. Gratitude. You need to thank somebody for inspiring you, for teaching you a life lesson, for teaching you a love lessons, for giving you the experience that you did gain out of this relationship. It says you attract more blessings when you appreciate your current blessings. Also, be happy that you have someone in your life. The person in your life right now is a blessing from the divine power, and you also see the person as a blessing in your life. The person really means something to you. The person has changed your mindset. The person makes you feel happy, and count it as a blessing if the person is there in your life. And also, if there's somebody new coming in your life, the person will be a blessing for you. And just thank the universe for bringing that person into your life, or that person, if that person is already in your life. And I think it is time to say thanks to them in some in or probably express yourself is also what I get. You've not been expressing yourself. You need to tell the person that the person really means something to you. You have to show gratitude, guys. They were two big messages, and I think that's why I did pick up the deck again, because the spirit guides wanted me to stress on those messages, guys. And I hope it's a blessing, and I hope that's what they wanted to tell you again and again. And let me see if I comes. I invariably comes. And I'm going to give you alphabets that are important for you. I'm also going to give you color and crystals, or any kind of charm that is important for you. Blank. So it's your life is blank right now. The past is gone. A new person is going to enter your life and paint the canvas. Love in your there'll be love in your heart, and there's somebody new entering. With this blank is what I get. A. So probably someone who's A will enter your life, or a person you're having is already in your life, and the person name begins with A is going to be good for you, and it's going to be a committed relationship is what I get. K is important in your life, okay? So if you're dealing with K or if you meet someone, I told you, I has to come. There has to be I in every reading of mine. I really don't know what is a channel message, guys. Or probably I is the most important thing ever in life. I means I. If you're important to yourself, if you take care of yourself, if you love yourself first, that's the most important thing first. I is also individuality, guys. That's how I see it. Y is also important. R is important in your life. Or you could, meet at a platform which begins with R or through friends who are these alphabets. So that's how you're going to meet your love interest or the person you're going to fall in love with. B is important for you, and L is important for you. One more. I don't know why. I want to take one more. With this, I'm getting one more, two more. Usually happens in a lot of reading. I told you something with an I. I don't know who wants to communicate with me, Baba. I am also like a channel, so I don't know. I'm a medium and I channel messages. I don't know what is this big eye that keeps coming again and again. Or probably I have to open up my third eye. I've been meditating how to do that, and yeah, it is. I always try to open the third eye or channel through the third eye, the middle eye here, the chakra. That's the most important for me, and I'm learning how to open that up or focus on the eye. So eye is there, guys. Let's see what are the channel. Let's see what are the colors that are important to you. Yes, that's noisy always. Not a white. First, I'm going to show blue. Blue is important for you. There's a heart. There is somebody, a new coming into your life, or your bond is going to strengthen with the person you are involved with, guys. Some kind of a movement in love. It's if it's just you just guys have just started seeing each other, and I think it's going to be a situation where you guys are going to commit to each other. Like I said, the heart. White is also very peaceful and get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling. There's somebody new coming in your life, and if you involve with somebody, it's going to be fantastic with the person. So those are the channel messages and the tarot that I use, guys. Thanks so much. Do subscribe to my channel, and I upload videos every day. Do watch my other videos. Do like my videos. Do leave a comment. I always read a comment, and I always write a message if I always reply back, and always love the comments that you write, guys. You can also give suggestions what kind of videos you want to see. So these were your love predictions, guys, and this was a very caring, like I said, person that you are involved with. And thank you so much, guys. See you soon again. Bye. Have a great day.